we've got a crafter here. We've made some seat covers for it. I'm going to show you what's in here, and then we're going to put them on there, and you're going to take photos.
Sounds good.
Comes with a nifty little bag. That's yours to keep afterwards. You can keep your knickers in it. In here, this is actually quite elaborate because these seats are quite elaborate. We've got, holy moly, if you've got captain's chairs for your driver, armrests. Headrest 1, headrest 2, headrest 3. This kit is for a single and a double. One of the seats, middle backrest. Another one of the seats, driver's backrest. Another one of the seats, far passenger backrest.
Why do they make crafter seats so complicated?
I don't know, Max.
It's so simple with the other vans.
But you wait until you see the footage.
They look good.
You see that there is like, that's the letter D in the stitching. The D, the back of the D and the round of the D.
Yep, I see. Matches the D. D to D.
Shows your D. You see there are lots of bits and bobs that you push into seams and stuff.
You gotta like groove it in.
That's the word. Are we feeling that tailored fit though, huh?
It looks good, man.
Yeah. Crafter seat covers, single right-hand drive with bench combo as a kit. Many pieces to create the setup, but strong, low-key, hard-wearing tailored fit. Do it when it's not 30 degrees.
Weird.